Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing how I covered all these places in 1 week with family in my car. Let's see how. I started this journey in month of December 18th to 27th. That was 1 week. 1 week. I'll be telling what all places I covered. Day 1. As I told, it was Friday. Early morning 5 o'clock we left, and 5 hours journey to Tirunamalai. We reached Tirunamalai at 10 a.m. and from there 2 hours journey to Vellore Golden Temple. By 2 o'clock we were in Vellore. From there 2 hours journey to Kanchipuram. So we made night halt in Kanchipuram, and Kanchipuram is famous for temples and silk sarees. So we purchased few silk sarees, and next day morning we got in Kanchipuram we visited 2 more temples. Then we skipped Chennai because many times we went to Chennai. We skipped Chennai and came to Mahabalipuram. That was on the second day, and from Mahabalipuram at 4 o'clock evening we were in Mahabalipuram, and 11 o'clock we reached Pondicherry. That was the second day. Third day we spent time in Pondicherry, and at 5 o'clock in the evening we reached Chidambaram, and at then from Chidambaram we left at 8 o'clock and reached Tirunallur, and we made a halt over there. Then early morning, that is day 1, we covered up to Kanchipuram. Day 2 Chidambaram. Day 3 Tirunallur and Kumbakonam. This is Kumbakonam, and from there Tanjavur. So day 3 we covered here. So from day 4 we made a halt in Tanjavur, and then Srirangam. So that was in day 4th, Srirangam, and we reached Rameshwaram. So Rameshwaram we spent 1 day full, that is day 5. Then from Rameshwaram we came to Madurai. Day 6 Madurai, Palani and Isha Foundation in Coimbatore. And day 7 we came to Bhavani. Then from Bhavani on the way to Bangalore there is Metro Dam. We covered Metro Dam and reached back to Bangalore. This is 1 week trip. Let's see how. So as I told, from Bangalore to Tirunamalai, early morning at 5 a.m. we left Bangalore. 5 hours journey we reached Tirunamalai. Tirunamalai is very beautiful place, and it is I think 3rd largest temple. Actually Tamil Nadu is famous for temples. They have protected most beautiful temples from invade of British and Mughals. At 12 o'clock we left Tirunamalai and reached Vellore. Tirunamalai, very beautiful temple. You can see the temple, very beautiful temple. And most people on full moon day they'll go to Tirunamalai and go for 14-kilometer walk around the temple. So from Tirunamalai it is 2 hours journey to Vellore. In Vellore you will be having Golden Temple. So let me show few pictures. Swarna Lakshmi Pass. So for each person you can take a special pass, or you can go for free darshan. For each person they will be charging 100 rupees. You can see on 2012 at 12 o'clock we were in Golden Temple. Golden Temple, Vellore is well maintained, so you cannot take pictures. So we are taking outside. These are the few pictures which we took. This is a Golden Temple. So from Vellore, approximately 1.5 hour journey or 2 hour journey to Kanchipuram. So around 4 o'clock we reach Kanchipuram. Yeah, around 4 o'clock we reach Kanchipuram, and Kanchipuram, as I told, it is famous for saris and temples. So this is Golden Lizard Temple, or this temple we visited at night 6:30. The closing time of the temple was around 7:30. So 6 o'clock we reached temple, and up to 7 o'clock, 7:30. Then we made shopping. I think Prakash Silk is very famous, and one Babusa are very famous. So from there we made a room for night stay and stayed over there. And next day, like night, we visited Perumal Temple. From there Kanchipuram Meenakshi Temple, and a few more temple we visited, and we left Kanchipuram approximately after our lunch, I guess, like 1 o'clock we left Kanchipuram, and we skipped Chennai because we have visited Chennai many times, so no, for tourists. So I did not feel going to Chennai. Instead of that, I took a deviation and went to Mahabalipuram. So recently I came to know in Chennai, like in Singapore, Sentosa, same way they have opened one good like marine show where we can see variety of fishes. So whoever is planning to Chennai, they can visit it. And yeah, so we made a trip from Kanchipuram to Mahabalipuram. It is a 2 hours journey. Around 4 o'clock we were in Mahabalipuram. Yeah, and up to 8 o'clock, I guess, up to 8 p.m. From 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. we were in Mahabalipuram. Let me show few pics which we took. Actually, there is an for pass, I think there is an if you are going in car, they'll take an entry fees of 80 rupees, I guess. So once you are entered, so you will be finding, like, you wanted to, if you wanted to buy tickets online through your Google Pay or Paytm, some around, for each person it is 80 rupees. So you can visit some 4 to 5 places in Mahabalipuram. Yeah, let me show. Shore Temple, Sunrise Point, and Krishna Butterball you can visit. So some handlooms, so some museums. Like you can spend some 3 to 4 hours, or if you're with children's up to half day, you can, like evening time it will be good. So as I told, by 4 o'clock we were in Mahabalipuram. Up to 8 we spent in time in near seashore and beach. It was good. So let me share few pics. Okay, this was the Kanchipuram. Okay, this was the saris we selected over there, and Perumal Temple, which we visited night 6:30. You can see a change. These are the very beautiful sculptures, and you can see the change. These are rock, and in the rock they have formed a chain. You can see here. they formed a chain, and these chains are like two snakes tied up together, and you can see the head of the snake over here. So night time the temple was very beautiful, and this scripture I liked very. From front side it is one scripture, and from back side if you see it is one different, like same, you can see two different gods, Venkateswara Swami and this god. You can see so nicely the scripture. This is in the Kanchipuram, and the next day we were in Kanchipuram Meenakshi temple. So from Mahabalipuram we left around 7 o'clock, and around 10-11 o'clock we reached Pondicherry. Like roads are very good, you can see almost 100 kilometers you can cover in 1 hour 45 minutes. So you can imagine the quality, like roads were really good. And by 10 o'clock or 10:30 I was in Pondicherry. So I have made the room over here, TR Residency, and it was very friendly, like the staff were very good, so it was very good. And early morning we were in Pondicherry. So Pondicherry, very beautiful place. I will show you few pics of Pondicherry, like what all places you can visit in Pondicherry. This was hotel we made, TR Residency, which was very near to most of the places, like Botanical Garden, some Vigneshwara Temple, Ashram, War Memorial, Mahatma Gandhi statue. So even this you can walk, like early morning at 5 o'clock we went for sunrise, and you could able to walk in these streets and see the buildings, how like it is in all the buildings, like on the beach side, like from here to almost all these places inside the roads are like in the French style, like old buildings in the French style, colors, doors, windows, architecture, everything in French style. So early morning at 5 o'clock we got up and went to see sunrise. Yeah, you can see sunrise viewpoint. Yeah, you can, yeah, here only we went, and you can see sunrise. And from then most of the people will be walking over here, and you can enjoy the places. So we went most of the places, Botanical Garden, then Indira Stadium, all these places we visited. And even those who wanted to buy basmati rice or good rice, they can buy 25 kgs, which is cost effective. And whoever are love having seafoods, Pondicherry is very best place for them. Environment is also very good, greenery, environment is very good. And yeah, so from Pondicherry we left Pondicherry around some 2 o'clock, and we reached Chidambaram. There is one beautiful temple. So around 5 o'clock we were in Chidambaram, and up to 7 o'clock we finished seeing Nataraja temple in Chidambaram, very beautiful temple. From there at 7 o'clock we left, and in one and a half hour journey to Tirunallur, and we stayed in Tirunallur. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, where is Tirunallur? Yeah, Tirunallur. Yeah, this is Tirunallur, and so like early morning we got up at 6 a.m. and visited Shani temple in Tirunallur, and from there we came to Kumbakonam. Kumbakonam are very famous for temples and even saris. So if we go to this particular temple in Kumbakonam, around this, like somewhere here or very near to temple, like you can see Uma stores, few stores, you will be getting good quality of silk, like saris for 1000-2000 rupees, and like you'll be getting saris near to this temple. And we visited this temple, all these temples which are highlighted. Then around 6 o'clock, around 5 o'clock we came Swami Malai temple, and up to 6 to I think around 6 or 5:30 we were in near to this temple. And the closing time of this temple, like most of the temple closing time in this particular areas are around 7:30, 8 maximum. So we visited Kumbakonam, most temples, and finally visited the Swami Malai temple. And from here it was around what all we did. Okay, from Shani temple morning 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock. From here 2 hours journey to Kumbakonam, because roads were not so good. Like I felt only the roads from this part to Kumbakonam was not so good. Other than that, most roads of Tamil Nadu are very excellent. Happily you can drive your vehicle around 90 to 100 kilometers. Very beautiful roads. Only I felt from Shani temple or Tirunallur to Kumbakonam, roads were not so good, but okay, because like there is no connecting highways, that's it. Yeah, or 10 o'clock at around 1 o'clock we were in Kumbakonam, had our lunch and visited temples, and around 8 o'clock we left Kumbakonam and reached Tanjavur and had night halt in Tanjavur. Like I think 2 hours journey from Kumbakonam to Tanjavur. Yeah, so all these 3 places we visited in one day: Shani temple, Kumbakonam and Tanjavur. Night halt we made in Tanjavur. Yeah, I think early morning we got up. First thing we did was visiting Buradeshwara temple in Tanjavur, then Mariamma temple, then palace. Like around 2 o'clock we left Tanjavur, and 2 hours, one and a half hour or 2 hours journey to Srirangam. Around 5 o'clock we were in Srirangam and visited Srirangam temple. Srirangam temple, I think it is India's first largest temple, Hindu temple, biggest Hindu temple. You can see it is very big. It is on the banks of river Kaveri. So Kaveri water flows from, you can see Kaveri water flows from Mettur Dam, Idur, Mettur, yeah, Mettur Dam, Idur. You can see Kaveri water flowing from here, from Chidambaram, then it reaches the ocean. You can see so big. Our Kaveri water flows from Mettur to Hognekal, from here to Mysore, from Mysore to or Madikeri. Yeah, from it starts here almost. From Madikeri it comes to Mysore. From Mysore it comes to Hognekal. From Hognekal to Mettur. From Mettur to Salem. Mettur to Idur or Bhavani. From here. From here it comes to Srirangam. From there to all these places. From here to from Chidambaram it exits. I think in Chidambaram there is Pichavaram mangrove forest. You can go to this mangrove forest. We visited it. It was very beautiful. Let me show few pictures which we took. This was Mahabalipuram. You can see single rock carved. You can see the images carved on a single rock. This is Krishna Butter Ball. Which is in Mahabalipuram. This was sunset at Mahabalipuram. Beach at Mahabalipuram. Yeah, this was at Mahabalipuram. Then I think this was Pondicherry. These are the streets of Pondicherry in French buildings. You can see. Mahatma Gandhi statue, Vigneswara Devasthanam. This is at Pichavaram, mango forest. It is very close to Chidambaram or Tiruna. And this is Chidambaram temple. Around 5:30 we were in Chidambaram. This is at Kumbakonam. Yeah, this is at Kumbakonam. You can see the temples, very beautiful temples. You can see the circles, 2 meters distance. COVID, some 1000 years back, I guess. For entering this temple, they have made this kind of circles. Yeah, this was like musical steps. Um, these are the musical steps, like in Beluru, Alebedu, you can see musical pillars. Same way here, these are the musical steps. It is in Chidambaram. Sorry, it is temple of Kumbakonam. Kumbakonam. So from Chidambaram, where we went from Chidambaram, yeah, we went to Shani temple at Tirunallur. From here we went to Kumbakonam. From Kumbakonam, night we left and reached Tanjavur and stayed night. From here, next day we seen places across Tanjavur, and from here we came to Srirangam, and around 8 o'clock we left Srirangam and directly we planned for Rameshwaram. So from Tanjavur we came to Srirangam. That is approximately 1.5 hour of journey. From here, yeah, this saw the temple in Srirangam, very famous temples, or biggest Hindu temple in India. In the world, it is second biggest Hindu temple. The first Hindu biggest temple, it is in, if you see in the world map, the first biggest Hindu temple, it is in Cambodia. Cambodia, next to Thailand, like in between Thailand and Vietnam. Cambodia, it is Angkor Wat temple. It is world's biggest Hindu temple, which is around 500 acres, and this is the world's second biggest temple in Tamil Nadu, which is where it is Srirangam. In India it is first, but in world it is second biggest temple. So from here we traveled to Rameshwaram. Around 11 o'clock we were in Rameshwaram and we made a night stay. Yeah, let me share few pictures of this is Tanjavur Brihadeshwara temple. We enlarge. Yeah, this is Brihadeshwara temple. This is built purely in granite, and the dome of this is a single drop, which is around some 120 tons rock, granite, single piece of granite. Brihadeshwara temple. Yes, Brihadeshwara temple. I think this is in Tanjavur. Yeah, Bell temple. Tanjavur. I think this is palace. Tanjavur palace, and this is okay. This is Srirangam. Srirangam temple. But whoever is visiting to Srirangam, there is online passes which is available. better to take an online passes before going to Srirangam. Srirangam Ranganatha Swami temple, and where it is, okay, I think this is Bhavani. No, this is not Bhavani, sorry. So after visiting Srirangam, we went to Rameshwaram. This is Rameshwaram. Okay, let me explain night around 11 o'clock we reached Rameshwaram. Then early morning we got up. Then we went for Rameshwaram temple. So around 12 o'clock we came out of temple and visited Abdul Kalam house, did few purchase of pearls. From there we came to, this is Dhanushkodi. Yeah, this is Dhanushkodi. I think I took my car photo also, I think, near Dhanushkodi. Yeah, this was my car, Kia Seltos, which I took at Dhanushkodi. Okay, then from Dhanushkodi, then we saw even sunset. Yeah, we sunset at Rameshwaram. It will be very beautiful. You can see both, I guess, even sunrise and sunset at Rameshwaram. So we left Rameshwaram around 7 p.m. and reached Madurai Meenakshi temple. I think this is south town of Madurai Meenakshi. Okay, early morning next day, from Rameshwaram around 7 o'clock we left, and 3 hours journey to Madurai, 3.5 hour journey from Rameshwaram to Madurai. Night we stayed in Madurai. Early morning 6 o'clock we got up and we went to visit temple, Madurai Meenakshi temple. Yeah, from Madurai we left at 10:30 and we reached Palani around 1 o'clock or something. I think Darshana also got over in Palani, and we took Jatkam, Pavan, Bhuvan and my sisters. We did puja at Bhavani. Yeah, this is Bhavani Sangameshwara temple. So from Bhavani we went to Mettur, and from Mettur we were back to Kaveri Mettur project. So from Mettur we were back to Bangalore. Okay. So Rameshwaram, on next day, evening we left Rameshwaram and we reached Madurai, and we halted in Madurai, and next early morning we went to Madurai temple, then Palani, from there Coimbatore Isha Foundation, from there Bhavani. Next Bhavani we made a halt, and next day we performed few pujas, and evening we left Bhavani, and from Bhavani it is 5 hours journey to Bangalore. So we reached Bangalore back. Madurai Meenakshi. Okay, Palani. From Palani Isha Foundation. From Isha Foundation, Bhavani. from Bhavani to Mettur Dam. There, that's it. So this was our 1 week trip. The most place which I enjoyed was Rameshwaram. The Dhanushkodi beach was very good, and Pondicherry. Then Pondicherry, Rameshwaram was very beautiful place. In terms of temples, I think Chidambaram temple was, I felt very good. Then Madurai Meenakshi temple, then Brihadeshwara temple, Tanjavur, then Tirunamalai temple. Yeah, this was my 1 week trip. Thank you.